Let's make an array to store 3 temperatures. The type of data I want to store is type double. The number of spaces in the index is 3. To add an element to my array, I type the name of the array. Let's call it temps, short for temperature. Next, add square brackets and write the index space where the element is stored. Then, add the assignment operator and the new value. In this case, the value is a temperature measured in Fahrenheit. I can set up my whole array this way. Alternatively, we can create an array that already has all of its values assigned. We'll set up the array the same way as before, but after the assignment operator, instead of writing new, we put a pair of curly braces. Inside of the curly braces, we write each of the values we would like to store in our array. In this case, there are 3 values between the curly braces, so the length of our array is 3. You can add as many values as you like. For our temperature array, the setup looks like this. Once the values are put into the array, we can easily access them. We use the index to get values from the array or update values in the array. For example, if I wanted to change the first temperature in my array from 75.6 to 85.1, I would type the name of the array, temps, and then inside the square brackets, I would type the index, which is 0. 0 refers to the first position in the array. Then after the assignment operator, I would put the new value, 85.1. Sometimes you might want to get elements from your array and store them in new variables. You can do that. Let's say I want to store the second temperature in my list in a variable called noon temp. I would declare my variable type, double, and name, noon temp. Then after the assignment operator, write the name of the array, which is called temps, and the index in square brackets. Now the variable noon temp points to the second value that is at index 1 in my temps array. Now that we can create our own arrays, we're going to have a much easier time managing multiple pieces of data at once.